All right, we just finished our second team meeting of this little team we have, and I felt like this week would have been a disaster if we had not already built rapport and understood the assignment really well and had Angie not been super well organized with a really, really well laid out agenda. We were having a whole lot of internet issues kind of all around. And I think that was a real issue because Serena could not really be heard at times. It was glitching. We had to try to start the recording 3 times. It seemed like my internet might have been a little stronger, so we ended up using mine, and really we just brainstormed the problem and got through that. And I think that Angie did a really great job of not allowing that to get her flustered. We worked well as a team. We made a very clear plan for next time so that we can come to our final meeting and really take that time to make any final tweaks and edits and then really just go over the rubric. So I'm really excited to lead that meeting because I think that it's going to be a successful wrap up of our time together. I will say my compliment for Serena is that even though it was really difficult today, she really managed to get her voice heard, even regardless of the fact that she, I don't think, could even tell what was going on partially through it because of her feedback issues. I also think that she came really, really prepared with understanding the rubric for the Prezi project, which came in handy when we started to go over the roles that we would say in the implementation phase that our team would manage for the school initiative. So without that, we would have, I think, suffered a little bit in the actual making of the slides. And then as far as for me, I feel like with my internet being a little bit better, I had to kind of at some times help out a little bit to keep things moving and to help provide clarity. And I hope I did that without overstepping. And I do think that I did, but it's something that I try to be very mindful of. And so for next time, I'm just looking forward to getting another opportunity to work with this really, really great group. And I'm really excited to have a solid final presentation. Thanks.